Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So we're gonna do something that's very basic this morning. We're gonna replace the battery on a 2011 Honda, I think it's a LX, and doing this is pretty much the same on any vehicle. Some vehicle might have the battery at the trunk, pretty much the same. So we're just gonna take the terminals off and let's loosen off. And then we got to pull it out of the housing. So all we need for this is 10 ratchet spanner. Okay, so I just want to get this loose enough. I'm just gonna hold on to this because there's a hook down there and I don't want it falling out. So put this there. That just holds the battery in place, and we'll take this little housing off. Oh, it doesn't have an handle. Alright, okay, so here's our replacement battery. Alright, so I'm going to put this back on. Okay, that's in, so let's put the guard back on. So there's a hook that is down here. Just wanna hooks in down there, and let's see if we got the other one over here too. Okay, so that's pretty secure. We'll just go ahead and take the terminal pole. Just tighten this on a bit. Alright, want to make sure your pole is, your terminal is tight, alright? And we'll do the positive side. Make sure it goes all the way down. I'll do the same thing, tighten. So really, that's how it's done. Save yourself some money. You don't always have to go out and get somebody to change your battery. Pretty easy, standard job. Takes you no time. Until next time. Thanks for watching.